isa ta sa tong fans balik ra ta diri. Wow.
Okay ba? Walang padding.
Meron. Bidding sa kusang brake pad pag-off. Herrera Garcia, bumalik ra ko mag-bidding sa brake pad. So 8 times na mag light bidding guys, 60 to 80 kilometers. Okay.
What is brake bedding? Bedding in your brakes is an industry term to define the break-in process of your new brakes and disc rotors. In this example, a car's disc rotor is shown comparing both used and new rotors. Notice how the new disc rotor has a scratched surface from factory machining. While comparing it to a used disc rotor, you will notice fine streaks like that of a phonograph or vinyl record on the friction surface, as well as having a shiny, smooth, light gray-blue glaze on top of the contact area. Though the discoloration and severity of the streaks may vary from different types of vehicles, from motorcycles, cars, or even huge trucks due to the vehicle's body weight. The fact is that all new brake pads need to evenly transfer brake material to the new disc rotors in order for it to utilize its full braking potential. This is why proper brake bedding needs to be performed properly in a controlled environment, because you may need to accelerate and decelerate your vehicle a few times during the bed-in process. You may need to consult a trusted mechanic to guide you on the steps of doing brake bedding.
Magbuhat sa Tagmalinaw ang kalsada guys, kay lisod kay bidding 60 kilometers to 8 times. So kaya mo na itong imoon eh. Ganto ra guys ang light bidding, then ang hard bidding is 100 up kanya hard braking ganto, pero di kaya po completely stop. So mara to guys, peace out. Stop recording.